Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
But torí pé wọ́n ní àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ bò mọ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ìdí ẹ̀ káàkiri. Kí ló cause is DNA is a suicide bomb ni. Tí ò bá ní nǹkan kan kò yẹ ká dé gbogbo tá a dé yìí DNA wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n ṣe kò yẹ kó dé gbogbo level yìí náà. Òun gbogbo ló yẹ kó ti submit ara ẹ̀ yìí sílẹ̀ pé bàbá ọkọ mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe kí nítorí future ọmọ yìí o. Òun gbogbo ló yẹ kó jáde but torí pé ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ò mọ́ ni DNA is a must wọ́n máa ṣe bọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí corona inquest gan bá finish gan tó bá dé high court tó bá raise issue yẹn ní high court tó ti lọ ṣe criminal issue yẹn wọ́n á call back for DNA.
God bless you. Could there's come out against here? There are enough evidences. So something is not up, it's not well with that boy.
Tí wọ́n bá dé high court tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ criminal case yẹn tó tẹ́nìkan ṣoṣo nínú àwọn tí wọ́n pè wá síbẹ̀ yẹn tó bá ti lè gbẹ́nu lé ọ bàbá ọlọ́pàá tó anybody bá ti lè gbẹ́nu lé pé nǹkan báyìí ni wọ́n máa go back to the DNA ni the justice will ask them to go and do the DNA. Nobody can stop it.
100%.
So ẹ jẹ́ kó máa ṣe balabolo wọn tó ń ṣe yẹn wọ́n máa ṣe tó bá dé high court because wọ́n máa rojọ́ débẹ̀. We are not fool. Ayé akọ̀ǹgbọ́ wọn gbogbo tó ń ṣe ọ̀dẹ̀ ni wọ́n. We are not fool. Wọ́n kàwé wọn kọ́gbọ́n ni. So ẹ máa ṣe iṣẹ́ òlọ́jàre àwọn dìdìrìn.
Ẹ má bínú vengeance mọ́mí ìlérí olúwa reason tí a fi ní kọ́ drop ẹ̀ àtàrọ̀ ló ti wà náà ti ní kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ èmi gan ti rò pé India ni woman yàbí kó jẹ́ anti-justice wọn sọ̀rọ̀ látẹ̀kọ́ náà ti wà lókè so ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń béèrè question ó yẹ kí n sọ pé kẹlẹ́ mi lọ́wọ́ Google bọ́m̀bọ̀n gan ti rẹ́rìn èmi gan ti rẹ́rìn pé I thought you are one of them or Indian lady so kí ni mọ́mí ìlérí wá ń béèrè pé why àwọn sọ̀rọ̀ látàárọ̀ náà ti pè wọ́n àwa náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ wọ́n Indian picture lèmi rí kó má lọ já àwọn India yìí.
Senator Bonbon used to stay with us on the comment section.
Wọ́n sọ wọn látàárọ̀ ti gòkè I don't even know about mo wá wò pé Bonbon látàárọ̀ India kò ní lórí picture wọn.
She's not used to coming up actually to make a
submission. She has to talk today. By four, she has to speak.
No, Senator Bonbon, please. Can you unmute your mic? Let's people hear your voice.
By fire, by force. So that's it. Nígbà tí dẹ̀ wò pé India ló tún wá bí bàbá ti dọ̀sí.
Senator Bonbon, are you there?
She's there or she's sending gift to you. Bonbon, you know.
Hello.
Aha, thank you.
Bonbon, you know.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. I never spoke on any panel or anything. Please, you can drop me. I slept off. I came out from work. I was listening to you. I slept off. You can drop me, please. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. She's not used to speaking, so it's all right. Thank you anyway. For actually coming to the panelists, even though you don't want to say anything. Thank you very much for all you do for justice. Prince, Gladiator Prince has spoken. Gladiator Yanu has spoken too. General Turkish Ship, are you there? General Chief is talk, or God is Turkish Ship, which one? Are you there? Is General Turkish Ship sleeping now?
I'm not sleeping. Why is Vengeance speaking down and there's host of Kilo Shele?
Where is Vengeance doing what?
Vengeance is under Turkish Ship and the host is of what's going on?
And Vengeance is everywhere. No, now. I'm in Turkey, I'm in Canada, I'm in US, I'm in UK, I'm in Samusa.
MC for MC or Bailegusi.
Yes, the same MC of Ikateland. Yes. Everywhere, no new.
How is everybody doing this morning?
Thank you.
Good morning. Where? I don't know Where the topic we are discussing,
It's on the screen now. The topic is on the screen.
Yam, Elegushi, and Mose. Hey, General.
It's there in capital letters now.
Yam, Elegushi, and Mose. Well, then I heard Prince talking about DNA. I've said this long before now that if Baba did not ask for DNA in family court, that because this case is homicide, there's no way the DNA will not be conducted because of the the crime involved. And we are here. You know, sometimes when we make these people feel like we don't know what we want, they come and be telling us lies. That's the reason I see they come here and want to change narrative every time they are here, is to change narrative. They don't have anything to add to what is on ground, and they don't have anything to say, just to make us feel like we have not achieved anything in 18 months, even when police is silent. And we have to make ourselves understand one thing. We have power. The power we have is our mouth. Like I said my voice and what I say is a powerhouse to my body, because my body and my voice is unique to only me. Nobody has my voice, and my brain is unique to me too. The way I process issues, the way I process this Mohbad case, to me, from day one, I've said to myself, Wunmi is the killer of Mohbad. And when you ask me to prove it, I say, go and watch where Mohbad is being buried. If you watch that place, come back and ask and tell me you are not convinced that Wunmi is the actual killer of Mohbad. So many things gone wrong in that what is it called that Wunmi is selling to us. A lot of things that you can actually point to. One of it is that the reason why Mohbad left Naira Marley is that because Tunde, the manager, was not working, was not giving Mohbad quality, was not marketing Mohbad well. That was what Wunmi claimed happened that make Mohbad to leave Naira Marley, because he wanted to change his manager and blah blah blah. It doesn't go well with Naira Marley, and here we are today. When this guy now finally left, because he wanted his friend Ayan to come and be his manager, he now left Naira Marley. Why is it that Ayan is not there again to be his manager? As Ayan manage anybody? No. Up until as we speak now, he may be a show promoter, but he has never managed anybody. Why did he leave? And when Mohbad went to fight a war with Naira Marley and come back, why is Ayan not in the picture again? That's my number one question. If I said I have a friend like Vengeance, and I'm being treated very bad, and I've been with Vengeance before as a friend, maybe for one reason or the other, because I want a higher pay and I want bigger audience. And when my manager over there are not doing what my former manager are doing, then I say I'm leaving. I've already talked with Vengeance, my friend, right? And my manager. And we have agreed that when you leave, you manage me. So when I leave, why is Vengeance not managing me again? I asked that question. Nobody was able to give me a definite answer. Why is Sheyi now the manager of Mohbad after he left Naira Marley? That's number one question I asked.
That was the handwork of Wunmi now. It was all planned out by Wunmi.
So now, you are telling me a story, and these two people you will claim they are friends. They have never been friends like they used to be before Mohbad went to Naira Marley for another reason entirely. This same guy that come now and be doing like I'm here and there, I'm here and there. He was one of those big people that rush into Mohbad, that was called to come and see the dead body of Mohbad, even before Mohbad family. What is the relationship between Wunmi and Nayan? That the relationship was not there between Mohbad and Nayan. And Wunmi is trying to say, because when you commit crime and you want to cover it, you are thinking of yourself. You are not looking at the angle of where other people is looking at it from. I am looking at it from, okay, you say you are my boyfriend, my boyfriend's friend. And then you guys have worked before. And then I saw a bigger audience and a bigger platform to market me. And those people said they don't want me to bring my manager, because that's the story. When I got there, the manager they gave me, I now say, okay, after working with that manager for few years, I now say, no, I don't want this manager. I was not doing what he's supposed to do for me. Then I want to bring in my former manager. Then the company refused. And I went to war with the company because of that, my friend. When I now come out and regain that freedom that I solely wanted because of my friend, why is my friend not my manager? Why? Wunmi is the one that is selling that to people. As the late Mohbad realized now that my friend is bigger than the job I want to give to him, or the friend is not even in the dictionary of when I'm leaving Naira Marley. All this is seeking for a very vital answer. And that friend that was not friend in the frame of friend that Wunmi was calling Anyan before the pie of Ilerioluwa has now become the best friend of Mohbad to Wunmi. This same friend was not the friend that Wunmi was portraying when Mohbad was alive. Because statistics have shown that when Anyan was with Mohbad before Mohbad moved to Malian's house, Anyan, we got a show for Mohbad, for example, 1 million naira. And Anyan would have taken his court and tell Mohbad, okay, this show go for 500,000 naira. Then when they get to that show and was paid, Mohbad will now say, okay, as my manager, take your cut. Meaning that you are shortchanging Mohbad, and that's the reason Mohbad initially left Anyan. And I cannot live in that faith and say I'm going back to you again. That is red flag. Why is Mohbad portraying, why is Wunmi now portraying that type of friendship? I asked that question. I was saying, okay, let us see where Wunmi will come out and answer that. Today I've asked the question again. See why I know you listen to everything. You have more than 5 for monitoring, as a monitoring spirit, monitoring everybody speaking. You can hear this one in your next talk. You can give me answer. You know how to give answer directly or indirectly. So now, Mohbad cried. And everybody, Wunmi have misled everybody to believe that the death of Mohbad was blah, 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 blah. From Naira Marley, from Sam Larry, all video was flying, Anya and Zlatan, all of them were posted the video they had before Mohbad cried. Now, the story have changed. The story have changed. If you say you are a friend of Mohbad, especially the guy that come out and be telling us, Mohbad, I was like, why are you saying this? Witnessing was on drug for more than 18 years before she finally cried. Her family never mentioned it because they know if you say it, the lawsuit that will follow it for you, your family will not be able to pay it. Her friends, nobody was talking about it. Mohbad was alive and you were telling everybody that Mohbad have suicide ideation. You said, did Mohbad ask you to do that on his behalf? You were asked about your life, about the story of Bella Shmurda, how Bella became Bella. You were never saying that, but you go strictly to Mohbad issue. Who asked you that? So that you can tell the whole world, when after things happen, then you now say, he has been trying to attempt suicide. That's another red flag. Are you planning for this young man to buy? You release that statement.